NewYork Cat6a Riser Cable 1000-foot review. Fast, reliable Ethernet that lasts. Ever felt frustrated by slow or unreliable network connections? Dropped packets, laggy gaming sessions, or inconsistent Wi-Fi can grind productivity to a halt. Drop a comment if this hits home, because the NewYork Cat6a Riser Cable 1000-foot is engineered to fix all that. Solid copper, high speed, and tangle-free. It's the backbone your network has been waiting for. Deadlines, video streaming, or high-bandwidth gaming can push your network to its limits, creating stress and frustration. Imagine if there was a cable that handled all the heavy lifting, stable, fast, and future-proof. With the Cat6a Riser Cable, you get top-tier signal integrity, minimal interference, and support for 10 gigabits per second speeds, giving you uninterrupted connectivity across your home or office. Meet the NewYork Cat6a Riser Cable 1000-foot, a professional-grade Ethernet cable built for speed, reliability, and long-term performance. Crafted with 100% solid bare copper and 23 AWG conductors, this Cat6a cable ensures minimal signal loss and superior PoE++ support for high-power devices like IP cameras and wireless access points. Rated for frequencies up to 750 MHz and speeds of 10 gigabits per second over 100 meters, it's perfect for gaming, 4K and 8K streaming, and heavy office workloads. The CMR flame-retardant jacket makes it safe for vertical riser installations between floors, and the cable comes on a wooden spool, making pulls smooth and tangle-free. One network installer shared how wiring a 3-story office was seamless thanks to the spool and sturdy design. Tight twists and an integrated spline reduce EMI and crosstalk, ensuring uninterrupted data flow even in noisy environments. Bonus tip: this cable is backward compatible with Cat5e and Cat6, so you can upgrade gradually without rewiring everything. With solid construction, high-speed performance, and installation-friendly packaging, this cable turns complex networking projects into a smooth, professional experience. The NewYork Cat6a Riser Cable isn't just long. It's engineered for performance, safety, and future-proof reliability. Stream 4K videos, game online with near-zero latency, and power PoE++ devices without compromise. Industry experts say the 100% solid copper and 23 AWG thickness are the gold standard for professional-grade installations. This cable meets every Cat6a performance benchmark. IT integrators confirm pulling 1,000 foot through walls and risers is effortless, and terminations are rock solid every time. Everyday users agree. I wired my home with this cable and now enjoy full 10 gigabits per second speeds end-to-end. It's stable, fast, and worry-free. The cable's flame-retardant CMR jacket ensures safety for vertical installations, while the tangle-free wooden spool saves time during setup. Perfect for multi-story homes, offices, and commercial setups, it supports high-bandwidth applications and heavy PoE devices reliably. Analysts highlight the superior signal integrity and minimal interference as key reasons it outperforms generic alternatives. Whether streaming, gaming, or powering devices via PoE, this Cat6a cable delivers consistent, professional-grade performance. Which feature would upgrade your network the most? Solid copper, PoE support, or high-speed 10G performance? Comment below. Thousands of pros trust NewYork cables for high-speed, hassle-free installations. Once you try it, you'll see why. Limited stock. The NewYork Cat6a Riser Cable 1000-foot is flying off shelves for good reason. Solid copper, 10 gigabits per second speeds, PoE++ ready, and installation-friendly. It transforms networking projects from stressful to seamless. Click now to secure this professional-grade cable, future-proof your home or office network, and enjoy uninterrupted connectivity. Thousands of installers, gamers, and DIY enthusiasts are already experiencing the difference. Don't wait. Upgrade your network today and feel the power of a cable that works as hard as you do.